Tired of that massive, whipping antenna ruining your Silverado's sleek look? Sick of static-filled radio cutting out your favorite drive time playlist? What if you could crush both problems in one simple, game-changing upgrade? We're revealing the ultimate low-profile stealth antenna that delivers crystal-clear signal without the eyesore. This is the definitive solution you've been searching for, and we're putting it to the ultimate test. Get ready to transform your truck's aesthetics and performance forever. Let's dive in. Number 7. Max Racing Short Truck Antenna is a sleek and durable upgrade for your Chevy Silverado 1500, 2007, 2026. Perfect for anyone looking for the best short antenna for Silverado 1500. Crafted from high-quality 7073 aluminum with a hard black anodized finish. This 4-inch antenna resists chipping, scratching, and fading over time. It replaces your stock mast, preventing damage in parking garages and car washes, while maintaining OnStar and GPS functionality. The threaded mount makes installation a breeze, no wiring required. Just screw it on in under a minute. Designed for style and durability, enhances your truck's appearance while delivering reliable performance. Note: the shorter 4-inch size may slightly reduce signal strength compared to standard 12-inch antenna, but it's a perfect blend of form and function. Number 6. Ronin Factory Truck Antenna is the perfect upgrade for your 2014 plus Chevy Silverado 1500 or GMC Sierra, offering a sleek, modern 5-inch short replacement antenna that instantly enhances your truck's look. Designed with a flexible, car wash-safe build, it withstands tough trails, garages, and automatic washes without damage. The anti-theft thread-locking design keeps your investment secure while providing easy installation. Simply unscrew your old antenna and screw this one in under a minute. Compatible with GPS, satellite radio, and AM/FM, though shorter whip may slightly affect reception. It's ideal for drivers using Bluetooth or auxiliary audio. This Ronin Factory antenna fits all major trims including LT, LTZ, RST, Z71, Trail Boss, High Country, Denali, and at 4, making it the best short antenna for Silverado 1500. Number 5. AntennaMast's Rust Short Rubber Antenna is the perfect upgrade for your Chevrolet Silverado 1500, 2006, 2026. Offering a sleek 6 3/4 inches low-profile design that enhances your truck's modern look while delivering superior performance. Built with durable EPDM rubber, it withstands extreme weather and car washes without bending or breaking. Backed by a 2-year coverage, the German-engineered internal copper coil ensures up to 85% better conductivity than typical short antennas, providing clear and consistent radio reception. Easy to install without special tools. This antenna replaces OEM part numbers 841709994, 15141455, and 22876544 seamlessly. Made by a trusted USA family-owned brand with over 20 years of experience. It guarantees quality, reliability, and style. Perfect choice for anyone seeking the best short antenna for Silverado 1500. Number 4. THWACKS, the Spartan 13 3/4-inch short flexible rubber antenna, is the ultimate upgrade for your Chevrolet Silverado 1500, 2500, 3500 or GMC Sierra 1500, 2500, 3500, featuring elegant black carbon fiber trim and a patented removable carbon tip. It allows you to customize your antenna style effortlessly. Built with a highly conductive internal copper coil, this German-engineered antenna delivers unmatched reception, pulling in stations that most short antennas can't reach. It's flexible. Shortened design makes it car wash safe, eliminating the risk of bending or snapping. Backed by a 1-year car wash guarantee. Assembled by a trusted Wisconsin family-run brand since 1999. The Spartan combines style, durability, and superb performance, making it the perfect choice for the best short antenna for Silverado 1500. Number 3. Mega Racer Carbon Fiber Truck Antenna is the ultimate upgrade for your Chevy Silverado 1500 or GMC Sierra 1999 to 2025. This sleek 5-inch black antenna is crafted from high-quality carbon fiber, 6061 solid aluminum, and an internal copper coil, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Designed specifically for GM trucks, it comes with a customized threaded adapter for a perfect fit, making installation quick and effortless. Say goodbye to bending long stock antennas in car washes while enjoying full compatibility with GPS and OnStar systems. It's stylish. Low-profile design not only enhances your truck's look, but also provides reliable signal reception. For anyone looking for the best short antenna for Silverado 1500, Mega Racer delivers an elegant, functional, and hassle-free solution that's built to impress. Number 2. Kits Pro 50 calories antenna for 2014 to 2025 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra trucks is the ultimate upgrade for truck owners looking for the best short antenna for Silverado 1500. Designed in sleek matte black, this stubby antenna delivers superior FM, AM, and satellite radio reception while seamlessly working with GPS, Bluetooth, and OnStar systems. Built with heavy-duty, high-grade materials, it's car wash safe, theft-resistant, and durable enough to withstand harsh conditions. The low-profile design not only enhances aerodynamics, but also adds a modern, stylish look to your truck. Easy to install with the included adapter. The Kits Pro 50 calories antenna provides reliable performance, minimal static, and long-lasting durability, making it a perfect replacement or upgrade for any Silverado or Sierra owner seeking functionality and style in one compact antenna. Number 1. Tech Carbon Fiber Short Antenna is a premium upgrade for Silverado owners looking for both style and performance, making it one of the best short antennas for Silverado 1500. Designed to fit 2007 to 2026 models, this 7.9-inch antenna combines a sleek, low-profile look with exceptional AM/FM reception. The sturdy carbon fiber base ensures a secure fit, while the flexible rubber build resists extreme weather and remains car wash safe. Unlike bulky stock antennas, this stylish stubby design enhances the truck's aesthetics without compromising functionality. It won't interfere with XM, satellite, or navigation systems, giving you clear signals without interruptions. Easy to install in under a minute with no tools required. The TKK antenna delivers durability, flexibility, and reliable performance, all while elevating the overall appearance of your Chevy Silverado 1500. In conclusion, if you're searching for the best short antenna for your Silverado 1500, you now have the top picks. Upgrading to a compact antenna enhances your truck's look, eliminates whip noise, and maintains solid radio reception. It's a simple, affordable mod with a major impact. Thanks for watching. If this helped you decide, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, and comment with your choice. Don't forget to share this with other truck owners.